3 weeks without helper and I give up cooking every day. Kaya umorder na kami sa May Kusina for our meal plan. I cannot do yung meal plan na per meal, yung mga 200 plus. Kasi I have a family. So basically, we need meals that fits our family setup na good for a family of 3. Me, my husband, and my toddler. So, umorder kami kay May Kusina. Recommended by a friend. I like it because it's really affordable and then they cook good Filipino meals. At ang sarap. First, this is sinampalukang manok. O, diba? Pwede na siya hanggang dinner. Tapos, bangus steak. And then, cabbage na sauteed with ground pork ata. Pero ang dami oh. Grabe, puno yan. Then, my fave. Lumpiang toge. Kasamang suka at soup. Nag-order lang kami for those days na super busy, which is Monday to Thursday. Para Friday onwards, we have the freedom to still cook the meals that we want or we are craving for. At least something that can survive the busy days of the week. Kasi I work out in the morning, tas my husband also has post-ACL therapy sa knees niya. So, we don't really have time to cook. Gusto ko sana mag-meal prep yung isang lutuan, isang araw, tapos freezer. Kasi wala rin ako time ng weekends. So, we're so busy talaga. Ang lulutuin lang namin in a day is breakfast, which usually is bread and oatmeal lang. Tapos, cook rice lang every day. We do shiratake, my toddler eats white rice. So, we will survive. Lahat to, wala pang 2,000. And it's good for 4 days, 4 to 5 days. Parang isang tub, it's good for a day na for us. 2 meals, lunch and dinner. So, yun. If you want to order, try May Kusina. They're so good, ang sarap, at super affordable.